Hello, and welcome to this sheet on addition of decimals. In this sheet, we're trying to answer the question, what do you say when you are comforting someone who is crazy about grammar? To find the answer, you need to solve these addition with decimal problems, find the answer, and then put the appropriate letter into the spaces up here. These ovals are for your approximate answer, because before we do the addition, we're going to find out what the approximate answer would be so that we know if we're close or not and we have a reasonable answer. So, I will do the first one for you. We're looking at 23 and 4/10 plus 117 and 3/10 plus 48 and 7/10. When you are adding addition, the most important thing to remember is that all the decimals line up. All the decimals line up, so we're ready to go. The first thing we're going to do is make an approximation. So, we're going to round these off. Approximations need to be able to be done in your head. So, this one would become 20 plus 100 plus 50. 20 plus 100 is 120, plus 50 is 170. So, the approximate is 170. If we end up with an answer that's close to 170, then we're probably on the right track. Now we're going to add it up correctly. First thing we're going to add up is the tenths. 3 and 7 is a rainbow fact. 3 and 7 is 10, and 4 is 14. Put down the decimal. Next, 3 and 7 is 10, and 8 is 18, and 1 is 19. Next, the tens column. 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 is 4, and 4 is 8. Next, the hundreds column. 1. So the answer is 189 and 4/10. Up here in the clues, we have 189 and 4/10 here. So we're going to put the letter T into this position. Let's have a look at this one, even though it's not number 2. Number 5. We have 7 and 58 hundredths, 56 and 32 hundredths, plus 21 and 85 hundredths. Does the decimal line up? Yes, they do. So, we're going to use our approximation. We could say 7 and 50 is 57, and 20 is 77. For that one, I used what's called front-end estimation. I only used this number. As long as I can do it in my head, I can see that I would be approximately around about this answer to get it right. So, now we're going to find the real answer. Add it up. 8 and 2 is another rainbow fact. 10 and 5 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6, and 3 is 9, and 8 is 17. Put down the decimal. 1 and 7 is 8, and 6 is 14, and 1 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6, and 2 is 8. 85 and 75 hundredths. Here it is, so the letter T goes in there. What do you say when you are comforting someone who is crazy about grammar? Finish the sheet and see what the answer is. Good luck!